and this is the back end of our website. So the thing I want you to know is how to create forms. So we're going to be using forms a lot. So if you are on this page, you scroll down and look for WPForms. So it's this one here. So click on it. You click on WPForms. We have two forms here. I'm going to show you how to create a new one. At the top here, it says add new. So you wait for it to load. Over here, most times you're creating from scratch, depending on what it is. You can use AI to start generating something. But I want to create like maybe an enrollment form. So I'm going to click on enrollment, like a template that it gives to you. So let's see. So it's going to show you what it is. You can pick any because you can always change all the titles and everything it is. So I'm gonna click on, let me see here. Yeah, I don't want to waste time, so I'm just going to do, is there something on academics? Oh, actually the registration. So good, academic registration. At this point, I need something like this: student enrollment form, use templates. Okay, so this is a pro version which we don't have. So what you just do is, I am going to, create my own, or click on a blank form, or I can just go to available templates. A simple contact form is available. Let's use this one and use templates. So there are free versions of this form. Just you can start with a free one and just keep adding more things. If you come here, if you click on this, you can change this, and just, if you don't want it to be name, you change to something else, but I want to keep it as name. Email address is perfect. So this is where I want to start adding things, where I have comments. So you're going to go to add feeds up here, and you can click on multiple choice. So it's going to load. So that has popped up here. You can actually just drag it above it. Now I want to ask a question. If you click on it, you're able to edit, and I want to say, what program are you interested in? Okay, so you just put all the choices here. I can say cybersecurity, spell it properly, digital marketing. Then the third choice can be AI course. Now you can add other options by clicking on this plus button. If I want to add an option in between, I click on the plus button here. So I'll go here and I can see data analysis. Okay, so this is how you can add and edit things over here. If you want to make this a compulsory field, you click on it. Let's see the field option here. So you can actually click to edit. Let's see. So let me save this first. So I'm going to save this. So click. So the advanced version, because we don't want to pay for this, actually you need to go to settings. This setting, you can change the name of your form. So I'm going to change this name to Flowealth Academy registration form. Then your description, you can just say this form is to register Flowealth Academy courses, right? So you click on save. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just gonna go to the field area. If you scroll up, you can see that your title is reflecting there. This form is to register for Flowealth Academy courses, which is very simple. You have the name, the email address, and you can keep adding. If you go to add field, you can add more things in here. These ones I believe are anything that is grayed out is a paid version. So just keep adding. If you want to add like a paragraph, you can do that. A drop down, you can add it. Add a drop down. You can see a drop down just came here, and you can add the options here. So this is, I'm going to delete this. So this is how you create a form. You're going to be creating forms. And with this form, now let me tell you how to get the URL of your form. When you're done, I need the URL of that form. You click on you first of all, let's save this. Then we click on embed. It's gonna ask you, do you want to select an existing page or do you want to create a new page for your form? For all forms that you do for me, I want a new page. So create a new page. Now this is the Flowealth Academy registration form. I'm just gonna put registration form, because the URL is going to start from flowealthacademy.com / whatever you're putting here. So registration form, it's going to be there, and I'm going to click on let's go. So let's wait for this to load. So now we have our registration form. So this is how it's going to look like when people come to flowealthacademy.com / registration form. They're going to see this page and they can now put in their information and register. So let's see. I don't want to complicate this training for you guys, but you can just save draft here if you want. So let's see if we can go to this page. So now let's go to // registration. I think it was a dash there from. Let's see if that dash works. Okay. Hold on, I think I must have gotten the wrong URL.